Students, today I am going to discuss about vapor pressure and Rawls law. Earlier we have discussed Henry laws and its application. So today I am going to discuss about vapor pressure. First of all, the vapor pressure, what do you mean by vapor pressure? The pressure exerted by vapor on liquid surface at equilibrium is called vapor pressure. Suppose that this is the container. This is the container in which half filled water or any solvent is filled in here. And on heating, then this water is get converted into vapor. This process is called vaporization, and vapor is formed here. And after some time, the vapor again condensed and converted into liquid state. This process is called condensation. At a point, it achieved the rate of vaporization and rate of condensation becomes equal. That point is called equilibrium. At this equilibrium, the vapor exerted the pressure on liquid surface is called vapor pressure. Suppose that, as for example, a solvent is present in this container, then the vapor pressure of A is called as vapor pressure of pure solvent A. This is denoted by P naught A. It is denoted by P naught A. That means if any solvent kept single, then we say it the vapor pressure of pure solvent, and it is represented by P naught. Similarly, suppose that in another container B solvent is present, then the vapor pressure of pure solvent B is called as P naught B. Now we come to the next topic, vapor pressure of liquid solution and Rawls law. Now we discuss about a solution in which two liquid solvent are mixed together. Suppose that water and ethanol are the mixture, carbon tetrachloride, benzene are the mixtures. So here a solution containing two liquid solvent mixed together. Suppose that let solvent A and solvent B are mixed together. Both are volatile solvent. Both are mixed together. Suppose that solvent A and solvent B are kept separately in different container. Here solvent A is only present, so its vapor pressure is known as P naught A. It is represented by P naught A. Similarly, B, its vapor pressure is represented as P naught B. But when we mix together A and B, then it becomes solution. Then the vapor pressure of A is said to be vapor pressure of A in the solution. This is represented as PA. Similarly, PB, the vapor pressure of B is represented. PB here is the vapor pressure of B in the solution. This P naught A and PA is both are different. This is for pure solvent, and PA is vapor pressure of A in solution. This is the abbreviation. P naught A means vapor pressure of pure solvent A. P naught B means vapor pressure of pure solvent B. PA vapor pressure of A in solution, and PB is vapor pressure of B in solution. So we taught in class 11 Dalton's law of partial pressure. When in a container two gases are present, then its total vapor pressure becomes equal to P